Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about new updates of Power Apps. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. In Power Apps Studio, now you will have the ability to build a plan. With this ability, developers will be able to start working on business problem in an iterative discussion with Copilot in Power Apps. They will be able to better keep connection between the business requirements and the solution they are building. This iterative and outcome-focused development cycle can all happen right within the Apps Studio. Makers will be able to start with a description of their business problem as well as provide additional context like process diagrams, data models, or even screenshots of legacy apps. Copilot will use this input to draft user roles and requirements for the solution. From this starting point, makers can continue to add or change roles and the requirements directly or with the assistance of Copilot. Here you can see that we are providing the business requirement, and after that you will see that Copilot will build the user roles, data model, and all the required application on the table. Once the team will be aligned on requirements, Power Apps will propose a data model to support the solution and allow the maker to explore and make updates through a visual entity relationship diagram. Right? So once the Power Apps will build the application, it will let the developers also modify it, and once they are okay with it, it will generate a visual entity relationship diagram as well. Here you can see that it has built a business entity diagram. When the maker will be ready to start building the solution components, the plan designer will recommend what types of apps and automation will fit their requirements. Right? So it will also let you know that what type of application or automation will be useful as per your business requirement. And these recommendations will also include canvas and model driven apps and cloud flows in Power Automate. So it will also recommend either the canvas app or model driven apps and cloud flows in Power Automate. Here you can see that the visual entity diagram and all the details, what were the tables and what were the applications and flows are required for your business requirement, all those have been proposed to you. At any point of time, makers are able to make changes to define user roles, requirements, data model, or the proposed user experiences. Right? So whatever the proposal has been made to you as per your business requirement, it will let you make the changes in that, whether it is user roles, or you can change the requirements altogether. And if you're not okay with the data model, you can ask the Copilot to make the changes in the data model as well. And if you are not okay with the user experience, that also can be modified. This additional context and grounding is not available just for the creation experience. The plan will now live alongside the solution, changing with it and making sure the understanding of the problem and the requirements is not lost. This way, anyone who comes to edit the existing solution can not only see the actual status quo, but the rationale that led to it. From the view of the suggested apps, makers can jump into app generation, see a live preview of the app for quick validation, and leverage the full power of the canvas and model driven designers to customize and continue in building the app. You can see here we have clicked on one of those applications, and here is the preview of that application. Another update is that you can collaborate with Copilot and your team. So co-authoring in Power Apps is now generally available. The ability to work with a team of developers, business users, and other stakeholders in a single pane of glass brings great advantages, especially in a world where low code and code first development happens in one solution. So now in Power Apps, multiple people can work on single app, building the apps that are intelligent from the start. With the smart paste, instead of tediously searching for the right inputs, the end user can copy text from an email or other source and let the Copilot identify the right information and map the content directly to their form. From there, users can decide what to accept or change. Here you can see that we have data in the email, and on the left you can see we have a form in Power Apps. So what we are doing is we are just copying it from the email and pasting it in the form, and Copilot will analyze the data and fill the form automatically, and this is called as smart paste. When you're working over a large number of records, Copilot is able to help search and filter the data for users. Instead of numerous point and click actions, they can use natural language to quickly filter and search through data directly on the grid. Here you can see that we are searching the data. To search the data from this data source, we are using natural language, and you can see that Copilot is able to apply filter of this data. So this is all about the updates in Power Apps. Now you will have a question. Please answer that question in the comment box. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.